Hey, so if you're an e-commerce seller, specifically Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, and you also run ads on Meta, then this integration is for you. We now support Meta ads. So for anything on Instagram, within the whole Meta family, you'll be able to pull in that data and compare it and have it alongside your e-commerce stats. So in what you see right now, I've got some demo data for ad performance. I've got it loaded. It's going to give me all of this information. There's just a chock-a-block full of metrics. If I have this loaded, it's very easy to get connected. Go into your Gorilla account, go to connections, and then at the bottom, you're not going to see this because it's not connected. Click on the plus button to add and connect a new data source. So click on plus and then click on continue to Meta. And now it's going to take you to Facebook. You go through the sign-in process, authorize it, authenticate yourself, and then when done, it's going to show you this in this section where it says total connections and your Meta account connected. Once it's connected with the sidebar with our Gorilla ROI data or add-on open, you can go create a new query. So here's a new tab. I'm going to create new query. I'm going to select metadata, select my account, let's say for the last 60 days. And then these are the different data sets that we have. So let's say I want ad traffic and links. And then I have all of these metrics. Let me grab all of them, save it, and then it's going to run. And now it's going to run it for the last 60 days, pull it into cell A1. So the way we pull the data is we're going to give you everything as much as possible. From here, you'll be able to see all your different ads, your campaigns, your attributions, the budgets, the clicks, etc. But in yours, you'll be able to see the data, but you can see how quick it is. So if I now rename this to Meta Ad Traffic Links, okay? And then let me create another one, create new query, Meta, my account. This one, let's do say like last 90 days. Let's go for even more. Okay, what about conversions? Actually, let me go for the general conversions. And we have all the information and descriptions for each report and each data point. So you'll be able to see that in the documentation. Select all the metrics. So create it, save it, and then it's going to run. Okay, once that's run, it will now load. It's going to show up at the top of the list. And here, let's see how much data we have now. It's still about the same because it's fairly new. Okay, 4,000-ish. If I want to edit the query, click on the edit the query. And then you can either change the name so that it's more descriptive if you want. Okay, I can also change the period. I can also change the location. So rather than having it on cell A1, starting on A1, I can have this entire matrix starting on say A2, A5, any cell that you want. You can set it up so that it auto refreshes. But anytime you can come in and you can just manually refresh by clicking this and it will do it. If you are in a team and for whatever reason, you don't want somebody to accidentally delete or change something, click on the lock button and then it's going to lock this query. Okay. And you'll be from here, if you want to do something quickly, you'll also be able to duplicate the query and have these extra functionality to go along with it. Okay, so that's how you can do meta ads, pull meta ads into Google Sheets alongside with all your other e-commerce data and now have a much better total overview of not only how your sales are doing, but also how your ads is performing in addition to your sales and your e-commerce platform. Okay, so I hope you enjoy that and I'll see you in the next video.